Kerala, celebrated by all Keralites in Kerala and worldwide Malayalis. This year we are celebrating Onam Festival in Goa by Kalpa Cultural Association. We are already started the celebration on August 15th, Independence Day. That day we are always, every year we are celebrating in that day. We are starting the celebration on that day with various programs. This year also we are celebrated with various cultural activities by our children and members of the association in Sakli Municipal Hall. And the major celebration is happening on 29th and 30th of this month. That is on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday we are organized various sports programs for our family members. From 3 p.m. onwards it will be happening in Mahamaya Temple Bicholim, Bodem Bicholim. And the next day the grand celebration on Sunday, starting with Pukalam competition. Around 10 number of Pukalam will be arranged. So our artists and various members are doing that competition. The major attraction of the Pukalam is they are using only natural leaves and flowers. That is the symbol of Onam. In every Malayali households you can see that when Onam starts with Attam, and the 10 days celebration will be ending with Tiruvonam. That day is celebrated. That day will be called Onam. So that is the major attraction of the Onam Festival. So we are also arranging that every year. So around 10 teams will be participating in. That will be happening at morning time. From 10 a.m. onwards, we are starting the cultural programs from our Kalpa family members. Various cultural programs will be performed. Classic programs, musical programs, that will be by in-house only. Our members are doing that programs. And 11:30, from 11:30 onwards, our social convention will start. This year, our social convention, our chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Then guest of honors, Dr. Chandrakant Kundalik Shetty, Honorable MLA Bicholim constituency, Premendra Vishnu Shet, Honorable MLA Mayam constituency, Divya Rani Vishwajit Rani, Honorable MLA Uriya constituency, Sri Carlos Alvarez Ferreira, Honorable MLA Aldona constituency, and Sri Bibu Joseph, President of FAGMA, that is our parent association in Goa. Group of 13 Malayali association are members in FAGMA. Then 12 p.m. onwards, that is the Ona Sadhya will be served. That is the traditional vegetarian lunch. That also is the main attraction of the Onam Festival. Especially invited cooks are traveling from Kerala to prepare that Sadhya. And the materials, whatever we are using, it's a traditional materials, specially used for that vegetarian lunch. So everyone can taste that Ona Sadhya. And especially when Shravan month is going on, so I think everyone is vegetarian only. So all peoples, our Goan friends, everybody can have that lunch. Then afterward there will be a program performed by Udayan Kundangudi, and it is called Autumn, and that is the folk songs, mainly folk songs. Around 17 to 18 people are performing, so it will be a 3-hour program. So that also specially arranged from Kannur, Kerala. So everybody can enjoy that program.
It's a unity of the culture to culture. So it's everybody prepares for that particular program as a state level, even a national level. So that is what so. And the Onam has got a history also. Onam has got a history that is related to King Mahabali, and where his 3 steps are very famous actually. So the story is like this: King Mahabali was ruling the Kerala in the ancient time, and those times the welfare measures were so popular that there was no poverty, there was no when looking for any kind of grievances. So it's an ideal welfare state we call the Ram Rajya in this one. So those kind of situations were there, and the King Mahabali's prosperity was so much growing. The divine gods got envy on them, and then they approached the Lord Vishnu, and the Vishnu has offered to some help to the gods, the Devendra and the team, and the Lord Vishnu has come to the earth and asking for some help. So Mahabali is so famous that whatever anybody asks for help, he never said no. So he is always with a yes, and for the whoever is coming for some help. So he has 3 steps. So the Mahabali is also known as Maveli. Maveli is, Guru. Guru has advised him. This is Lord Mahavishnu has come, and in a different form. So as a boy, it is known as the Vamana, the boy. Vamana boy has come, and then he asked for 3 steps where he has to, stand in the earth. So Mahabali said yes, and he has, immediately taken a gigantic form. And in the first step, he took the entire earth, and second the sky, and third is the where there is no space. So Mahabali offered his head as a 3rd step, and he is going to the Patal, we call it as no one's place. That's a thing. But he requested for a time, for annual time to come and meet his people, the Prajas. So that's the time the Onam is being celebrated. So it is believed that the Mahabali or the Mahabali comes once in a year to meet his Prajas and to see, look after how is his welfare measures and all those things. So that's a history about this thing. So people welcome, are hoping, it's a hope for the ideal welfare states of Ram Rajya.